Continuation of the previous video. Here we declare a struct book, int pages, float price, char name. So here it is a integer type. So this is a decimal type and this is a string type. Okay, so these are the different values which is declared in a structure. Now this is a structure which contains all the three values. Okay, so the memory is allocated. How if any variable is declared, the memory is allocated to the now this template is declared for this structure. Okay, how the template is declared? So it is a structure of pages, price and name. The template is declared. Now we have to declare a variable. So how we are declaring a int type like this, int a, in the same manner we are declaring a structure. So for every type there is a variable. Now we declare the variable. So why we are declaring the variable? Struct book b. So here b is a reference variable or it is a structure variable. B is a structure variable. So why we declare a variable? Let us see why we declare a variable. So to access the members of a structure, okay, so what are the members here? So what we declared here? Struct book. So what are the members? These are the members. Int pages, float price, char name of 25. Okay, so these are the three fields declared in structure. These are the three fields declared in structure and is also called as a members of a structure. So how many variables we declared? Those are the members of a structure. Those are the fields declared in the structure. So to access these members, we need to declare a variable. So that is the structure variable. To access the members of a structure, by using this variable, we access the members of a structure. Okay, because these are the variables declared in the structure by using the keyword struct. So to know the to maintain the variation, okay, defines a variation of a normal variable and a structure variable. We use this. Okay, to normal variable and to give the variation of a normal variable and structure variable, here we use the structure variable. Okay, for example, here we write void main. Okay, so what we writing here? Int pages. Can we access it? We can access it easily. If the same variable is declared in the structure, there is a difference between declaring the pages in the main function and declaring the pages in the book. Okay, so this belongs to the book and this belongs to the main function. So we can access easily and directly. But to vary, okay, to vary where and which we declared here. So that's why by using this structure variable, we access the pages. Okay, by using this variable we access the pages because the compiler understands that is the structure variable, that is a member of a structure which belongs to the structure. Okay, b dot pages equals to 120, b dot price equals to 56.35. okay, b dot name equals to some language. What is the name of the book? Language. So this is in this way we access the members of a structure. Okay, so or else we can also like this also, struct book b equals to, so what is the pages, next price and next name of a book. In which order we declare the variables here? In the same order we assign the values. Not only one variable, we can assign any number of variables to the structure also. Struct book B1 equals to 116 35 36.3. Okay, program. What is the name of the book? Program. So in this manner we can declare the structure, and also we can access the members in a structure. These are very useful in the data structures, because we declare the structures in the data structure. Because different type of data it will be stored. Okay, the structures and the pointers also. Thank you.